It's somebody's birthday. Oh, baby. Our beautiful Flashy, woo, is 14 years young today.
Yay!
Baby!
Yay! That deserves a round of applause.
Yay! You've traveled around the sun 14 times.
Well done.
Puppy said, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Oh, so we are making a special treat for Flashy and of course for baby sister Lulu.
And it's
Yay!
your forever anniversary in a couple of weeks, too.
Yep. So we're gonna make them a special treat today. This is a recipe from Edgy Veg. So we're gonna give it a go.
We're gonna cut it in half because we only have 2 pups. We don't have a whole party of pups.
We don't want them eating this luxurious food forever.
Yeah.
Right?
No,
Minnie said, I want it.
I want all the cake.
Oh, baby, I'm so excited to celebrate.
Don't overdo it, baby sister. Ready to begin. Welcome to the doggy cake making a la Edgy Veg. We're halving your recipe. If you watch this, I'm sorry in advance. We're making some substitutions because we're famous for that.
Pumpkin peanut butter carrot cake.
Yeah.
And we will post a link below to Edgy Veg's recipe.
Go to subscribe to her. She's got some great recipes. She's got a cookbook out as well. So check her out. She's really cool. Let's begin. We're going to do the dry ingredients first. I finally used this for what it was meant to be used
Whoa!
for. A dry flour grounder. So I put my grinder. I put my oats in here. So we're going to do half a cup. Or all of it, because I'm not going to put away that much, right? And I'm not going to throw it out, so. We've got our oat flour. She made these gluten-free so that the doggies wouldn't have digestive issues. And I appreciate that. So we're also doing some brown rice flour. Lucky we have all these things from when we were mostly gluten-free.
Right?
Oh, just a little bit more. My stove said, hurry up, I'm waiting.
It's an oven.
We'll have that debate all the time.
This is the stove, this is the oven.
Okay. Alright, fair enough. We've got our baking soda, baking powder, and ground cinnamon in here in a very sexy Chrissy Teigen cup. That's all of the dry ingredients. Now we're going to do the wet ingredients. So I started by grating my carrot. And you might say, is there something wrong with your camera? That's not orange. No, it's an organic yellow carrot.
Whoa.
So I'm going to eat the rest of that later.
Real Bugs Bunny.
That's right. I love Bugs Bunny as a kid.
Right?
I'm not going to go there. Alright, we've also got our flax egg, which is a tablespoon of ground flax. And I really like the blonde ground flax, the light colored one. I feel like the other one looks like a mouse just pooped in everything.
No!
I hate that.
So you've had that sitting for a while after you mixed it with the water.
Right. So in it goes. We've also got some maple syrup, just a little bit. These babies don't have much of a sweet tooth, or if they do, we don't want them to overindulge. So then we've also got some pumpkin puree, or puree. And we're going to double the pumpkin because we don't have any applesauce. What kind of vegans don't have applesauce?
I don't know, what's wrong with you?
Nothing. So we're going to do a half cup of pumpkin puree. That's exactly half a cup. I am so good at that, it's not even funny. We're also going to do some peanut butter. She's using a quarter cup when we half the recipe, but I'm going to put a little more because maybe.
But don't forget, we're doing a peanut butter icing too, so. Whoa!
Right? They really, really, really like it. What can I say? So now I gotta stand here like a fool. Oh wait, there's still more almond milk, but I'm definitely not putting the almond milk in until I pre-mix this a little bit. Let's hope this doesn't go all over. Right. I didn't slop it up too bad. My dad would not be that upset, so he was a cook. We've got our quarter cup of unsweetened almond milk, and that's gonna slop up. We've got the oven preheating to 350. In fact, it's ready already, so I better hurry up.
No pressure.
Right? I'm just gonna pre-mix this a little bit. Make sure you get the baking soda and the baking powder kind of equitably distributed before you put the wet in. And now we're just going to slop up the wet. Ugh, that sounds gross.
You don't like the squelch sound?
Yes. Gonna give this a nice mix. We don't want to over mix it because we don't want to over activate our baking powder and baking soda because it's not going to rise in the oven that much then. This looks lovely.
It does. It smells so good.
It does smell really good. And it's vegan, even though they aren't vegan, but it's nice.
They are today.
Yeah.
Well, for this.
They're nice enough to have a vegan dessert.
Hey, wake up. We're making this for you. Oh, the babes. All right, I'll let you rest. I'll let you know when it's ready.
All right, we've got our tiny pan, so I'm going to spray
So
it
cute.
with a little bit of, cooking spray.
There you go.
Couldn't think there for a minute. All right, so we're going to put it in here.
Looking good.
It's a little thick.
T-H-I-C-C.
That's right. Just going to press it in. I'm just going to wet my hands a little bit and smooth out the top so that it looks pretty.
Ooh.
All right, so we're going to put this into our 350 preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, and we should be having some pupcakes.
Yeah.
You get right in the middle.
Woo!
See you in 30 to 35 minutes. The timer just went off, and I'm going to take it out of the oven and let it cool for at least 15 minutes. So it's completely cooled now, and this is just going to pop right out. I'm going to put it on this beautiful nutcracker plate.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Puppy!
That's easier than nothing easier than falling off a log, except for taking that cake out of the tin.
Yeah.
So, Candace, the Edgy Veg, uses an icing. We're just going to use some plain peanut butter because our dogs don't like icing.
I'm sure they do. But they really love peanut butter.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
So we're going to make this beautiful. So much less fussy than doing icing.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure the icing is great, but
yeah,
they're going to love this.
All right. So now we're going to get ready to light the candles and celebrate our baby's 14th birthday. Get that sister in here so we can sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. They're going crazy. Happy birthday, dear Flashy. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish, Puppy.
Oh.
Everybody blow for Puppy. Yay.
Puppy.
Yay.
Yay.
Now let's cut this cake.
Oh. They're so excited to try this. Lulu. Don't do that. She's like, no cat's allowed. He's allowed at the party.
Together really nice.
Oh yeah, especially for not having egg.
Yeah. Beautiful. Our flour. All right. It's very moist. Good job, Candace.
Yeah.
All right, so let's do the presentation of the cakes. Come on, Minnie. Share with your brother.
I'm hungry. Give me cakes.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh.
see. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Happy birthday, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a lot to say.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Guess he likes it.
You love it. You love it. Yeah, Louie.
Mine got turned over. Yeah.
Homie wants some, but he can't have
Not
it.
for cats. We'll do a tuna cake one time for the cat.
Yeah.
Ready?
Good boy, Flashy.
They gotcha.
Lulu, you didn't even eat your cake yet.
No.
She's just like, I want the peanut butter. Ooh, they're loving it.
Yeah, I think they really liked it.
Oh, babies. Yeah, well, I think it's safe to say that they really like it.
Yeah.
So happy birthday, baby.
Happy
we
birthday,
love you.
Puppy. Puppy
Good
said,
boy.
hey, everybody, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, much love.